Hey guys, we are back with our top 10 disaster planning essentials for small business network. Today's video being number 2 in that series, and that is hire a trusted professional to help you. All right, IT companies such as mine, we specialize in writing disaster recovery and business continuity plans based on your specific needs, whether it's compliance needs, special geographical needs, right? You might be in the path of, consistent tornadoes or hurricanes or other things, to help you achieve the lowest amount of downtime and be prepared for disaster recoveries or recovering from a disaster, whether it might be a cybersecurity event or some kind of a natural disaster. Sometimes it could be as simple as an accident, right? A car accident taking out the light pole in your corner that takes out your internet and power, and you need to communicate and need to be able to operate your business because you have customers. We have a lot of medical customers, and they need to be able to operate, right? They store records that need to be accessed by other hospitals and pharmacies. So for them to be down is not an option, or if they are down, we need to minimize that to minutes, not hours or days. In fact, I'll tell you a funny sad story that happened to one of our customers, a medical imaging center, is their primary internet fiber connection went down. We called the vendor, the ISP that was responsible for it. It took him about 4 hours to get on site to figure it out. Luckily, we had the backup line through a different ISP, different connection, wireless, and we got them back up and running within seconds. Technically, it was all automated, a failover. But the funny story is, a squirrel got into that box with all the cablings in the street and got stuck. And the only way it was able to get out, or tried to get out, is by chewing all the cables and trying to get out through the hole. So it doesn't have to be a sophisticated, any kind of like a disaster situation, for your business that goes down because of that. It could be something as simple as a squirrel got into a cable box and it's chewing cables because it's trying to get out. Again, for those types of situations where you need to be functioning, whatever happens, you need to have multiple backups, power, internet connection, things like that. That's how having a trusted IT partner that really understands different scenarios, situations, solutions could help you write that plan, and more importantly, test that plan to make sure that you minimize or eliminate your downtime as much as possible, and you can operate technically any point of time regardless of the situation. I'm Igor Pinchevsky, CEO of itfirm.com. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.